Hi everybody, Viana here from maplewoodroad.com, and for today's crochet project we're going to be making this ribbed slouch hat. Isn't it really adorable? It's got like really nice texture with this ribbing. This project just uses the single crochet, double crochet, magic circle, and front post double crochet. If you don't know how to do the front post, don't worry about it. I will walk you through it, and I also have an additional video showing you how to do the front post and the back post double crochet. There's also a full printable pattern that's available on our website that I will list in the description below this video. So if you'd like to print it out, you like it better on paper, or you want that alongside this video, just visit that link and you can get that on our website. One note I want to make about this pattern is when you're doing it, try to keep your tension of your stitches a little bit on the loose side. That'll help get the slouch look. Okay, so let's get started. So to make this ribbed slouch hat, we're going to be using a worsted weight yarn, or number 4, and we're going to be using 2 hooks. The K hook for the majority of the project, and then toward the end we're going to switch to a J hook. Okay, so to start this project, we're going to start with a magic circle or magic ring. So you're just going to leave a little bit of a tail, wrap it around your finger twice, insert your hook into the center of the circle, yarn over and pull through. And now we're going to be working into the center of this circle. So for the first round, we're going to do 12 double crochets all the way around. So we're going to start by doing 2 chains to act as our first double crochet. Okay, and then we're just going to double crochet all around. So that was, that was 2. If you need a refresher on how to do double crochet, you can refer to my Learn to Crochet Lesson 2. You can click the banner up above to get to that video. And 12. Okay. Now that I've made the 12 double crochets all the way around, I'm just going to pull on that little tail to close off that circle, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the first one. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 double crochets in one space, or in the first stitch basically. So again, you're going to do 2 chains to act as your first double. You're going to do 2 more in the same space. 2. That is 3. Okay, so now in the next stitch, we're going to do a front post double crochet. If you need to learn how to do that, you can refer to my video on the front and back post double crochet. I'll just show you quickly. We're going to yarn over, go around that first post for a front post double crochet, and continue as usual. Then we're going to do 3 double crochet in the next stitch. The next stitch, we're going to do a front post double crochet. If you lose track of where you are for this row anyway, just know you're going to be doing that front post for every other post. Every other column is going to get a front post. So I could see this one here, then nope, not this one. We're going to go into this one. Well, around this one rather. Okay, so you're going to do that all the way around. You're going to do 3 double crochets in the same stitch, and then a front post, 3, and then a front post. So you will have 24 all around. Okay, so now I've reached the end of this round, and you can already see those front post double crochets sticking up. So I'm going to slip stitch into the top of that first one, just to close off that circle. Okay, so now you can see in between these front post double crochets, I have 3 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3. So again, for this first one, I'm going to do 2 chains to act as my first double. Then I'm going to do 2 double crochets in the next one as an increase, and then 1 in the next one. Now I'm going to front post double crochet again, which is easy to find because you can see it sticking up. Now again, I'm going to do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets for an increase, 1 double crochet, and a front post all the way around. Okay, again at the end of this row, I'm going to slip stitch, and you should have had 30 in that last row. For the next row, we're going to do double crochet, 2 double crochet, a 2 double crochet, double crochet. So again, chain 2 as your first one. Then we're going to increase in the next 2 stitches. So this one has 2 in the first, or in the same stitch rather. The next one also has 2 in the same stitch as an increase. And the next one is just 1 double crochet. Then we're going to do the front post again. Okay, and then again, 1 double crochet, 2 in this one as an increase, 2 in this one as an increase, and then 1 double crochet, and then the front post all the way around. Okay, we're going to slip stitch off. The next row, we're going to start again, same, doing 2 chain stitches as our first double crochet. We're going to do another double crochet in the next stitch. The next 2 stitches we're going to increase, so 2 in each. The next 2 stitches we're going to do 1 double crochet in each. Okay, so that was 8 stitches. And then we're going to do the front post. Okay, again, all the way around. Double crochet, increase, increase, double crochet, front post, all the way around. Okay, we've reached the end of this row. Again, we're going to slip stitch. And that row would have been 54 stitches all the way around. For the next row, we're going to do a double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, then an increase in the next 2 stitches, then double crochet in the next 3, and then the front post. So again, start by doing your 2 chains, that act as your first double. The next one, you do a double. The next one, you do a double. Okay, now the next 2 stitches, we're going to increase. So 2 in this one. The next stitch, we're also going to increase. So 2 in that one. The next 3 stitches, get 1 double crochet each. And then we're going to do our front post. You can really see the line now. It's much easier to see now. Okay, you're going to continue this way all the way around. And in this row, you'll have 66 stitches. All right, that is the end of that row. So again, you're going to slip stitch. Okay. So from now on, we are going to do 10 double crochets all the way across, just 1 in each, and then the front post. 10 double crochets all across, then the front post. You're gonna do that all the way around. Again, you will have 66 stitches, and we're gonna do that for a total of 9 rows. Okay, and I'll see you at the end of that for how we're gonna do the brim around. Again, starting with your 2 chain stitches as your first double. And since we're gonna be doing so many rows in a row, I like to use a stitch marker like this, so that then it's easy for me to keep track of which one I'm on. So this will be on my first row. So then it's easy to count up to the 9. Okay, so now I've finished my 9 rows. I slip stitch at the end to connect the 2 sides. Now to finish up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch hooks. I'm going to put my K hook away and step down to a J hook, a little bit smaller. And we're going to do single crochet all the way around, 1 in each, we're going to decrease. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna do 1 chain stitch to act as your first single crochet. Okay, the next one, in the next stitch, you're gonna do 1 single crochet. So we had 2 single crochets in a row. Then we're going to decrease, all right? So put your hook in the next loop there, pull through, your hook in the next loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so you're gonna do 2 single crochets and then a decrease, 2 single crochets and then a decrease, so that at the end of this row, we should have 48 stitches. Okay, so I did that row of decreasing with single crochet. I now have 48 stitches all the way around. Now at this point, I'm just going to keep working in the round. I'm not going to slip stitch, and I'm going to do 48 stitches all the way around for 6 rows, and then we're finished.